Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the Xiaomi Mijia Smart Touch NFC sensor. These NFC sensors can be bought online between $5 and $6 for a package of 2. A bit expensive since for $6 you can get around 20 ordinary NFC chips. As mentioned in the package, you will get 2 NFC tags, instruction manual in Chinese, and 6 labels which you can attach to the chips. 3 are pre-printed to relay stream to a TV, connect to a router, or relay music. It isn't very well explained, especially with the Chinglish most of the Chinese sellers use. But these features are rather limited to a small number of Xiaomi devices, which most people don't have anyways. What is interesting is that you can use them to execute various tasks in Mi Home. You just create the automation, assign it to an NFC tag, and when you put your phone over the tag, the task will execute in Mi Home. The process of writing tags is rather simple, but it is hidden well in the interface, so it can be confusing to find a task or edit once you create it. But all in all, it works. Mind you that the phone needs to have an NFC function turned on and to be unlocked, which makes the whole process a bit more complicated than it should be. But that's the way the NFC works. It might be easier to use a Zigbee button or Magic Cube to execute tasks, but this method might come in handy as well, and I'll talk more about that in my next video. Here is a small demo of created automation to toggle the lamp on and off. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.